So as we continue to dig out from the snow, Wes, you may have noticed something leaking from your home. People are dealing with water damage from all the snow.
Oh, just adding insult to injury. KSHB 41 News reporter Lily O'Shea Becker went to an expert to learn what you can do to protect your home.
We've heard from Kansas Cityans who have noticed water damage on their ceiling since the snowstorm, so we asked roofing professionals about it. They say if there's snow on the ground, you actually want snow on your roof. This house here behind me is a perfect example. They also say if you've noticed water damage, it's likely not a leak, but rather condensation.
Manning Roofing has received many calls since the snowstorm.
People thinking the roofs are leaking.
But senior project manager Brian McHenry says that might not be the case.
Well, a lot of times with heavy snowfall and the snow and ice sitting on the roofs, the attic is warmer than the temperature outside.
Brian says it's common for heat to escape from a house into its attic, which causes condensation to build. Look at these ceilings with water damage following the snowstorm.
It appears to cause leaks.
Condensation is more likely to build with heavier snow and colder temperatures. With the current conditions, it's too dangerous for crews and homeowners to climb on roofs. But there are some proactive measures you can take for the next storm.
Make sure that you have enough insulation in your attic and proper ventilation as well.
If you have water damage right now, Brian suggests running a fan. And you might not like this, but shorter hot showers. That will minimize heat escaping to your attic.
If snow is on the ground and you walk outside and look up at your roof and you don't have snow on your roof, but everybody else around you does, you probably have a heat issue going on in your attic.
Although snow buildup can cause leaks, especially where your roof meets, but you won't know until the snow melts.
That water is going to find somewhere to go, and so it's going to creep back up under those shingles.
Reporting in Kansas City, Lily O'Shea Becker, KSHB 41 News.